friends, today I would like to discuss with you something which is very useful in our daily life, that is usage of credit card in our daily life and how we can utilize this as easily as possible. So firstly I would like to say that credit card is like a loan which we can take amount and we can pay back within 55 days. That is, if you are taking a credit card purchase today and within 55 days you can pay it back without paying any interest rate, and it's very easy for use also. Secondly, it's like a pocket money, that is, we can use it wherever we want, whenever we want, even for in a small shop or in a very big supermall. We can use it in everywhere, even internationally. Thirdly, it's very easy to use and it's very safe because it's used by OTP or PIN access, which is with us only. Nobody else can use it or nobody else can take disadvantage of it. So friends, now I will discuss about how to use credit card responsibly. That is a basic thing, how we can manage a credit card in our daily life. Some points are there. Among that, the first point is pay off your balance as early as possible. That is the most important thing, because you take 3000 dirhams, 4000 dirhams a month, and if you didn't pay it back within 55 days, you have to pay interest rate for that. And even if you don't pay on time, you have to pay late payment fee. That is a very critical thing or very disadvantage of using credit card. Second thing is use the card for needs, not wants. That is, they use the card only for your needs, like you have to pay your phone bill and the date is already over. Use your credit card, pay it. But as soon as you receive the amount, pay it back to your credit card, like a loan. Like you are taking some amount from credit card for your emergency needs and you're paying it back, and only use credit card according to your income. That if you don't have more income or if your income is 5,000, 6,000 and your limit, like if you have any other loan or any other thing, so according to your limits, use the credit cards. Otherwise, you will lead to a very big debt. Third point is never skip a payment. That is very important thing, because many people, like it's a human nature, sometimes you will forget the payment date. It happens in everyone's life. So never skip a payment, because the billing cycle is very important in this credit card. You should know when is your payment date and when is the billing date, so that we can manage accordingly our credit card. If you have money, pay it full. Like you have taken 5,000 dirhams, pay it back as your salary comes, 5,000 full. Otherwise, if you are not having that much amount and if you are paying only minimum payment, then also pay it on time. Otherwise, it will lead to late penalty fees and interest rate. Fourth point is use credit card as a budgeting tool. I hope in every home we are doing that. Every month, first we will do some budgeting, like how much amount or whatever purchase we have to do, how much for grocery we have spent, how much for school fees, how much for petrol we have used, or what other allowances we have, or what we have purchased other things. These all we use as a budgeting tool. So if you have something like some big budget or something you have to buy, use credit card as a budgeting tool. Like use this month your credit card as a tool or as amount, then as soon as your salary comes, pay again to your credit card. It will give benefit to you, so you can use a credit card again next month if you have anything more to do. Third point is, as if possible, use reward cards. In market there are many credit cards which is having reward cards. That is, you will get 3 to 5% cash back in the purchases, especially like every purchase, groceries, petrol, or car safety or car cleaning, everything you will be getting 3 to 5% cash back, or you will be getting as air miles. So whenever you're using a credit card or whenever you're purchasing a credit card, always go through these points, that whether it is having any reward points, whether it is having any air mile points or any other benefits we have. And it is very good if you go through all these things, then this credit card will be beneficial for us. If you're using a reward card like 3 to 5%, you're getting it back. So you can purchase this month whatever you want. Next month maybe you will receive that amount, payback amount, which you can utilize as your minimum payment amount. So it will be good for us every time. If you're following all these points and if you're paying your credit card on time, it will be very beneficial and you will be getting a very healthy credit score, which is very useful in our life. Hope you liked my video and it was beneficial for you or will have some advantage for you. Kindly subscribe my video if you liked it and press bell button to follow the updates. And I will always welcome if you have any suggestions or advices for me. You can comment in the chat box. Thank you.